In previous class, we had finished this lesson of pollination. Okay, there may be of two types: self pollination and cross pollination. That is autogamy, geitonogamy, xenogamy, and about this chasmogamy and cleistogamy. About these different type of agents, biotic agents and abiotic agents. Then we had also discussed their merit and demerit. Clear? Next, what is the significance of pollination? So after pollination, here seeds and fruits are produced. It also stimulates the growth of this ovary. That's why this ovary it develop into fruits. And here, due to cross pollination, by cross pollination hybrid seeds are also produced. Okay, and here these seeds and fruits are the main source of nutrition. It stores the reserve food material. Today we are going to discuss the few important topic, that is outbreeding device and pollen pistil interaction. Outbreeding device means अभी जैसे कि हमने डिस्कस किया, it mainly prefer the cross pollination, means where the pollination it is not occurs in this the same flower or in this the same plant. Clear? So majority of these flowering plant, they are bisexual or hermaphrodite. Clear? But here and in this hermaphrodite or bisexual flower, what happened? Cell pollination occurs. इसमें cell pollination होता है और बार-बार cell pollination होने की वजह से it result in inbreeding depression. Inbreeding means here this breed or the breeding involve in the same plant or in the same flower. Clear? तो इसमें बार-बार cell pollination होने के कारण in this first generation, second generation, okay, so in the same generation here it result in inbreeding depression. Inbreeding depression. It does not create any variation. इसमें कोई नया variety produce नहीं होता है, कुछ नया variation भी इसमें दिखाई नहीं देता है और बल्कि उसमें क्या होता है, कुछ ऐसे कैरेक्टर जो होता है उसमें धीरे धीरे वो रिड्यूस हो जाता है, वो जो कि द गुड कैरेक्टर इट ग्रेजुअली reduces. That is inbreeding depression. That's why these flowering plants they prefer the cross pollination. Cross pollination, वो cross pollination prefer करते हैं. Though in some cases the flower are bisexual, तो bisexual होने के कारण भी they prefer the cross pollination. Okay. So what are the different type of outbreeding device here? First one, the self incompatibility. Okay. Next about the monoecious or first one unisexual flower. What happened in case of monoecious means how the cross pollination occurs in unisexual flower, monoecious. Next, if these flower or plants are self incompatible, it also prefer the self cross pollination. Clear? So this is the outbreeding device. First condition, that is declining. Declining, there are two types, male and female. And here this plant they may be monoecious and dioecious. Okay, you know that monoecious means bisexual flower, dioecious that is a unisexual flower. Okay. So in monoecious or in a bisexual flower also, some plant like papaya, clear, they prefer cross pollination. Here autogamy and geitonogamy both are not takes place. इसमें दोनों में भी मतलब सेल्फ पोलिनेशन नहीं होता है. पपाया बाइसेक्सुअल होने के बाद भी. नेक्स्ट है दो दिस papaya, that is a dioecious plant, both male and female part that present in the separate plant, so that it prefer the cross pollination. इसमें cross pollination होता है. और कुछ plant है दो they are monoecious होने के बाद भी they are here they pollinate through this in different plant. Why? Because here it it occurs as inbreeding depression. इसमें inbreeding depression होता है, so that it is not compatible in the same flower. There is a self incompatibility. Next condition, there is a dichogamy. Dichogamy. Here, when this anther and stigma that mature at different time, that is dichogamy. Here, one is protandry and another is the protogyny. Protandry, pro means earlier, andry means androecium. Androecium means their male part, there is the anther. So in plant, if the anther that mature earlier, then stigma. दो जो फीमेल फ्लावर है एज कम्पेयर टू दिस, इसमें क्या होता है, मेल पार्ट मैच्योर हो जाते हैं. दो दिस प्लांट इज बाइसेक्सुअल प्लांट है, बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल पार्ट आर देयर, बट हियर दिस मेल पार्ट इज मैच्योर फर्स्ट देन द फीमेल पार्ट, देन दे हियर सेल्फ पोलिनेशन इज नॉट अकर्स. तो इसमें भी सेल्फ पोलिनेशन नहीं हो पाता है, सो ऑब्वियसली दे प्रीफर द क्रॉस पोलिनेशन. लाइकवाइज प्रोटोगाइनी कंडीशन, इसमें जो दो प्लांट्स आर बाइसेक्सुअल, इसमें क्या होगा, स्टिग्मा इज मैच्योर फर्स्ट देन मींस एंथर. ओके, दैट हियर आल्सो इट प्रेफर क्रॉस पोलिनेशन. नेक्स्ट द कंडीशन, देयर इज अ सेल्फ स्टेरिलिटी. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज सेल्फ इनकम्पैटिबिलिटी. Here these pollen grain are incapable of growing over the stigma of the same flower. Means this pollen grain, it is fused to here it is failed to fuse in the stigma of the same flower. तो एक ही प्लांट है, तो एक ही प्लांट में अगर ये फीमेल पार्ट है और ये मेल पार्ट है, ठीक है, तो इसका जो पोलन ग्रेन यहाँ पर अगर आएगा, देन this pollen grain it fails to fuse or fails to fertilize. इसमें किसी भी कारण की वजह से उसमें फर्टिलाइज नहीं हो पाएगा सेम फ्लावर में से. That's seen in case of tobacco and crucifer. Then of course it prefer the cross pollination. तो इसमें क्या होता है, क्रॉस पोलिनेशन होता है, and this condition is also known as prepotency. Next, another few conditions that prefer the cross pollination like heterostily. Hetero means different, stily means style. तो इसमें क्या होता है, in some plants, ऐसे कुछ plants होते हैं, here the flower style and stamens are different height. Two types of flowers are formed, that is known as dimorphic heterostily. Means दो plants होंगे और these two plants or this they forms two different flower. Two different flower होते हैं उसमें. एक flower में here it having the long anther or long stamen and short pistil, and another flower they having the short stamen and long pistil. As you can see here, this is here the style is long and the stamen is short, and here the style is short and stamen is long. तो इसमें they may be here self pollination may be occurs. ठीक है, इसमें self pollination भी हो सकता है और क्रॉस पोलिनेशन भी हो सकता है, बट इसमें here self pollination it is not occurs, that's why it prefer the cross pollination. तो इसमें यहाँ तक वो रीच नहीं हो सकता है, that's why this pollen grain it prefer the cross pollination. Why? Due to unequal length or unequal height of stamen and style. In case of Harcogamy, here pollination occurs or cross pollination occurs due to the presence of physical barrier between androecium and gynoecium, okay, which avoid the cell pollination. And the best example of this Harcogamy, there is the Calotropis. Here this gynoecium is fused with this pollinium and forms the gynospecium. This is the Calotropis. Structure of this Calotropis. Here the pollinium, the pollen grain is known as pollinium. It present inner side. That's why this pollinium of this or this pollen grain it can't released. So that the insect it require insect to release the pollen grain, that is known as pollinia, and it prefer the cross pollination. So this is all about the outbreeding device. तो इसमें मोस्टली क्या होता है, जो प्लांट्स हैं दे डोंट प्रेफर एनी सेल पोलिनेशन, तो कभी कभी वो सेल पोलिनेशन वो प्रेफर नहीं करते हैं. ओके तो इसका बहुत सारे कॉजेस होते हैं, लाइक सेल्फ इनकम्पेटिबिलिटी, ओके, डाइकोगेमी, और नेक्स्ट है प्रोटोगाइनी, प्रोटेंड्री, नेक्स्ट है प्रेजेंस ऑफ बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर,